Back at you again with another cooking creations. This is Chef Brandon here, the executive chef at Four Winds Casino. We're here in the South Bend, Kankakee today. So check this beautiful kitchen out, beautiful restaurant when you get a chance. Today, it's ceviche season. I'm gonna show you guys some really cool things to do with the shrimp that we do. It's a cold dish. Don't worry, I never knew what ceviche was either until I got married. My wife was from Ecuador. I got a little South American twist into my life at that point. So I got to learn a little bit about it. You can do it several different ways. You can do fishes, shrimp, scallop. You can do just about anything, octopus, anything you want to do, calamari, anything kind of seafood in there. You can twist it with different juices, different fruit juices, grapefruit, lemon, lime, orange juice. Different peppers to season it. It's a dish that just varies through different countries in South America too, from Peruvian to Ecuadorian to several different kinds of things. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you some of the ingredients. So what we got here is a lot of the standard, what you're gonna see in some Latin American foods. We have our chopped cilantro here, our diced tomatoes. We have a little mixture of red and white Spanish onions. We have some ketchup. It's funny because ketchup is an ingredient you see in a lot of like Latin American foods, Jamaican foods and stuff. It's a key component that a lot of people aren't familiar with. Green onions. We got some jalapenos, some garlic. I didn't have to do a fine chop on it because we're gonna use it for the cooking of the shrimp. We got lime juice, orange juice, and some lemon juice. Some hot sauce. We wanna give it a little tang. It gives a little cayenne and a little vinegar twist to it. And look at these gorgeous shrimps here, boy. Oh yeah, those will take care of the business. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and start with our, we're gonna do the boil on the shrimp. Like I said, with a lot of ceviches, there's tons of ways to do it. The one I do prefer is where you actually let it sit and marinate overnight and it'll cook from the citrus juices. That's kind of the classic style of doing this because not only does the shrimp pick up the flavors from the lemon and the lime and the orange juices, but also the juice picks up the flavor from the shrimp. So you got this great marrying of ingredients in there. But right now we're gonna do something that's a little bit more entry level so people can get familiar with it because they're not real familiar with it. And I want everybody to be able to at least taste it. So first off, we're gonna start with, we got some orange juice we're gonna throw in this pot because this is what we're gonna pre-cook the shrimp with because I still want it to get the flavors of ceviche. A little lemon juice and our lime juice. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw our garlic. Like I said, not a fine chop, just a rough chop, just so we can get them nice garlic oils up in there and get them cooking together. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get this on the oven top. On the stove top, I wanna get this boiling and we're gonna get our shrimp in there and we'll show you from there. So once you get those juices and that garlic in there and they're just starting to get heated up and stuff, go ahead and add that ketchup in there so it can cook with that. And when you get that shrimp in there, it can start boiling that nice tomatoey finish with that lemon and lime juice. Let's get these shrimp boiling. Woo! All right, now we got everything cooked and chilled now. We gotta make sure that shrimp's chilled off. We want our juice to be chilled off. Now we're gonna add the other components to let it kind of marinate together in there. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our onions. Got, like you said, a little red onion, a little white onion. We'll get those in there. And those are good to sit there and marinate in that juice too. If you can give that a little bit of time. We got a little bit of the cilantro. Our jalapenos. And our tomatoes. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with that little bit of hot sauce. Give it that little zing that we're looking for. Kind of see it's all getting in there, working together. I'm gonna go ahead and top it with a little bit of green onions too. I like to save a little bit for the end to kind of make it look pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and get these shrimp broke down here. Pop these tails off. I mean, these bad boys are gigantic. I love them. And the key to this is you really want to make it bite-sized salad. They serve it a lot of times in your Mexican restaurants or your Latin American restaurants with tortilla chips to eat with it. So like I said, I always try to get them kind of a bite-sized pieces in there. So it's easy to eat, easy to scoop. To me, you let me You grab me a bowl of it with a spoon, I'm good to go. And so we'll get these things chopped up in here, and we're gonna get it topped. Now, if you want to do individual portions of this salad, like say if you're having a dinner and you want to have them portioned out and scooped up, or if you're serving it to people, I would take the avocado and put a little bit on the bottom before you scoop the rest on there, because that'll help them juices marinate with the avocado too. So we'll go ahead and plate this dish up. So first off, like I said, you want to go ahead and put a little bit of that avocado on the bottom, help some of it get marinated with the juices of the lemon and lime and the shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and put our components right on top of that. Such a fresh, summery, you know, anything that you want out of the garden. You know, seafood to me really screams this time of the year. You know what, I even like to throw a little bit of that juice over the top of it. That's what I'm talking about. Top it with a little avocado on top. Little green onions to finish. And there you have it. So here you have it. Ceviche, I want you to try this as a beginner dish. Like I said, we got it pre-cooked ahead of time so you don't feel like, oh no, I'm scared to eat it. Try this, see if you enjoy it, and then try on the authentic style where you're marinating it overnight. That's the one I really enjoy. You get a lot of flavors pulled out of that fruit juice and out of that shrimp and stuff. I want you to experiment and have some fun at home with it. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Brandon, enjoy.